Hello there, Joe DiPaolo here with DiPaolo Financial Group, and today we're going to walk through the inflation calculator and maybe some ways you might be able to use this calculator. Pretty basic calculator in the sense that all you need to do is put in a couple inputs and then the calculator will kick off a very quick answer for you. So the idea here is to understand the cost of inflation or the impact of inflation over time on either an item you might be considered buying or maybe your future income stream. So let's take a look at that. So when you put in present value, that's the item that you want the inflation to be attached to. So let's say, for instance, you were retiring today and you had Social Security benefits of $36,000 a year. Well, $36,000 adjusted for inflation means that in the future you're going to have a higher Social Security benefit. So if we want to know what that might look 20 years out with an inflation rate of 3%, we would just hit the calculate button and that benefit would grow to $65,000 per year. Another way to look at this is maybe understanding the cost of waiting. So let's see if you put in a $400,000 property. Like, let's say you were evaluating buying a home and you wanted to maybe look at buying it now as opposed to maybe waiting 10 years. If you put in a regular inflation rate of 3% on that 400, that means that 10 years from now, that $400,000 home would cost as much as $537,000. And that might affect you, your decision making on whether or not to wait or not. So hopefully this helps. Feel free to check out some of the other calculators on the website.